Here is how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. So maybe you want to take a temporary break or permanently delete your account, whatever the reason, we'll show you how to do it. So Instagram recently updated this process, so follow this complete guide carefully to avoid missing anything. So go ahead, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then after select the three lines in the top right corner. Now, this will open your settings and activities section. And in this menu, tap on Account Center in the top. Now find and tap on Accounts or Manage Account option. Now choose the account that you want to deactivate or delete and select Manage. Here you'll get the option of deactivation or deletion between move out and memorialization. Select deactivation and deletion, and you'll get two different options to deactivate your account, that is temporary, and another is delete your account, which is permanent. And give a reason for deleting your account. It might ask for more information. And then select continue and go through the on-screen instructions. Understand the consequences before you proceed, and you might want to download your information and then select continue again to confirm. Then after, enter your password, which is associated with your Instagram account that you want to delete. And if you're sure, tap on continue and then select delete or deactivate to confirm. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.